All right, so I just traded MU. I went long with my stop at this level, right under that at 43.49. Under all this moving average support because of the potential A, B, C, D on this. If it can hold this level, which it very well could, it's gonna go to 44 in the matter of a couple minutes. Even though I'm under all the VWAP and everything else, all these moving averages and the daily are definitely make this stronger. Okay? And it will pop up to 44 if it holds, and it'll be fast. Like, all the buyers will just pile in. So my risk here was exactly 11 cents, and I'll do 13 cents for slippage. And I want a 3-to-1, which would be about 40 cents. And I'm at 43.60 average cost, so I want to get out all at 44, right under 44, right? And I'll probably do one partial right here at 43.89 right before, because I see that as clear potential resistance. So I'll get out about 25% of my shares or so at 43.89. So I'll put in a limit order, 43.89. Okay, so you see that right there is my limit. Risk, reward, just a little bit under 3-to-1. So you guys see how that works? How it busts through VWAP and these other moving averages is if it has stronger support on higher time frames. Okay? Now the thing I don't love is this 200 moving average. Look at that. And that's why it might not make it through that. Which doesn't make this trade absolutely perfect. But I'm still going to wait. I'm under this level, 43.89, 1 cent away. Okay, filled. Now I should have already put in another order at 43.98, because then I'm at my true 3-to-1. And I'm gonna actually change it to 43.90. Yeah, I'm gonna keep it. All right, 43. So now I only have about, I don't know, 10% of my shares left. And look, it popped through. Totally fine. I got my 3-to-1. I read the frickin' charts. Awesome. I am thrilled with this trade so far. Thrilled with it. I might be done for the rest of the day because of this. And now I'm going to slowly partial out little bits. Okay, I've got it at 44.09. I'm going to actually change it to 44.00. Oh, I was going to change it to 44.08. So you see, I'm not going to get FOMO here. I'm not going to. I got everything. Now I have about 5% of my shares left. I don't care what happens, but I can take advantage of this. Okay, so now I'm going to cancel my stop. I'm going to put my new stop at under VWAP. We see this all the time. I'll do it at 43.74 for my final amount of shares. 43.74. Stop. Market. 43.74. Okay. Okay, I want to put the stop at 43.74. And you see, this is actually a stop. It's just the arrow comes up there for some reason. I really don't like it. So let's get out more at 43.19. Okay, I got more out at 43.19. I got about 3% of my shares left now. Okay, 3% of my shares. So I'm gonna double click on the open stop order, and it pulled up on a different window. I'm gonna change my stop quantity to the lower amount and hit replace. And I'm still just slowly partialing out. Just slowly. You know, they're paying for my commissions, they're paying for coffees, they're paying for little bits here and there. Okay, I got it at 43.28. Just going up on the way. I've got now like 0.5% of my share left, okay? Very, very little. Now let's look. No new 1 minute low. No 2 minute high, right? No 2 minute low, I mean, but I hit my daily goal with my partialing. So in this case, I don't need to wait for new 1 minute lows or 2 minute lows. I could, and we just need to always remember that I'm hitting my daily goal, and there's many different ways to partial. So don't get FOMO because I've partialed out almost all my shares before. Like imagine this, look down here. No, from when I bought it right here, no new 1 minute low. I could still be in my entire shares and have a gigantic day to day, right? But I didn't. Okay, so now if this closes on a shooting star on the 2, I'm just gonna get all out. I'll just get all out with a hotkey. I won't even care if it breaks. Actually, I will care. I'll put my new stop right under. Let's see if I have time. Okay, so I might not have time, so it's 42.18. If it hits 42.17, I'll hit a stop. I'll hit my hotkey. And I just want to be out of this. It's fine. It might still bounce off support if it needs to, but I'm good. All right, so it didn't. Let's see, it broke up by 1 cent, but I didn't see it on the time and sales. So I'll just put in my final one at 44.17. Oh, there, out. There. Whoops, hotkey mistake. Ah, stupid hotkey mistake. All right, I'm just gonna get out 100%. There. All out of everything with the one little hotkey mistake at the end. Almost perfect. Those darn hotkey mistakes. All right, so let's take a quick peek here at why we did this, right? It's in this chop under the 50, above the 200, and I'm getting it here on a pullback because this 1 minute coincides with support on this. Support, look at this. Oh my goodness. Support here. Support here, support here, support here, support here. And then I noted the daily A, B, C potential D. Like imagine if this was just a 5 minute chart, right? And look at that. It would be such a clear and obvious A, B, C, D. But on the daily, if we learn how to use it correctly also, we can use it to our advantage just like that, knowing that I'm long biased because of that. Because it's at the support. Because it's got the harmonious chart above it if it can break through. And how does it break through VWAP in these smaller moving averages? If it has larger moving averages and larger time frame moving averages, okay? Ooh, I really like that trade. So please, this is a really great trade to ask any questions on if you're confused about anything. So yeah, please, hope you guys all had a great day, and thank you so much for watching. Note what happened here. 2 minute shooting star. I wanted to get out, hotkey mistake, but then just got out, and look at that leg down. I hate shooting stars and love them also. No new 2 minute high. No, whoop, right there is a potential area. Then bouncing off support, trying to hold the VWAP. But the shooting star reversals are just a thing of beauty sometimes, and I'm so happy I got out at that level.